East or West, FamiSafe first. Hi, this is Kristen with Wondershare FamiSafe. It's frequently asked question time. How do I uninstall FamiSafe from the parent's device? For the Android device, the procedure of uninstalling the app is slightly different on different brands of Android devices. To avoid confusion, we recommend the following method that works on most Android devices. Open your settings, tap on Apps or Application Manager, tap on FamiSafe. You may need to scroll to find it, and tap Uninstall. For iOS devices, tap and hold the FamiSafe icon on the home page until the icon starts to wiggle. Click on the X icon in the upper left of the FamiSafe app, and that deletes FamiSafe from your iOS device. That's it for today's FamiSafe Frequently Asked Questions video. If you have any additional questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below or send us a message over on our Facebook page. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you soon in our next video. Bye.